Entered here at 86 is what I ended up getting. I want to see this stay above this halfback area. You can come down and test this node, but I'm really want it to stay up here. I wouldn't want it to come, back into this range that we had from this morning. It looks like to me, they bought it here. We're obviously pushing higher. It's just reacting to the top of this node here. So I think we'll get another push up. And then my ultimate target would be this, basically the overnight high, which would be right here. So I would take some front running this overnight market profile. Basically, if we get above this, I'll take some up here. And then I'll leave some for this 800. So we'll front run that just a little bit by, 79. But again, that would be this overnight high. You have the 100% of initial balances here. Understand that I draw the 100% initial balance and then I pull it in. So I think it was actually up here somewhere, but I wanted to be in front of that 800. So that made sense to me. So let's see how this acts when it gets up to this E level. And you have these singles from overnight, which I know doesn't hold as much weight, but they're still there. Now I have a stop down here at 82.75. Measure out to 27 ticks here at 92.75. So I always like to try to take some off at about this level. So I probably will take at least one contract in this area. If we push right through here, I'd take one as soon as we get above it up into this level. So my ultimate goal, like I said, would be this overnight high, this whole area right in here. I'll probably take one here because you can split these off. So I would take one set and move it up here. The first target would be make it, 98.50. You turn off the brackets. You can make adjustments to your orders. Put one here. And I'll hold that other one. It's hardly worth it, but just hold that other one just above the 800. Let's see where the 40 tick line would be. So I would definitely take one in here at the 96. So if we took one at this 92.75 and then try to take one at the 96. So right now we're set to take one here. We're set to take one here at the 40 ticks. Then I would hold these other two, and obviously I'll be moving stops up. If we can get it up into here, I'll bring my stop up to protect this. I mean, you could almost do it now because we're at the top of this node. I don't really want to be in this for ranging back and forth. If we get lower than this, I'll have another chance to get in, or it might look like we're going to retrace this entire thing. If we get up into here, you don't want to be back down here. So this feels a lot like yesterday, how we were just kind of melting higher. I have orders. I was looking at some targets down here in case this started to turn around. If we get into F period and it can't break this E high and things start working this way, I had some targets set up down here that I was looking at because I think the first target would be breaking this CD low, which would bring you right to the POC. And you have the open here. So this would be another area. And then if you were to flush through here, you want to be somewhere in here. I really think we're working higher. And they hit that 800 yesterday. So there's a good chance we'll want to come back and test that area. For now, we're moving higher, so I'm looking higher. If you enjoy these videos, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see future videos of how I trade MarketProfile and VolumeProfile. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. I haven't been making as many videos just because, after the first of the year, I was kind of getting situated. I got a new monitor, I got a new mic set up. I was just getting used to that. And I haven't been trading as much. Just, if I work late, like if I'm trading late, I won't have time or I don't have time to make a video. Usually I'll get a video like midday and then I'll work on that kind of the rest of the day when I can and have it ready to go by the end of the day. So if I end up working right to the end of the day, sometimes I don't have time to post a video. And we're getting to move up into that single area. This trading platform is Quantower. And if you're interested in getting a free 7-day trial, you can use the link in my description of the video. It'll take you right to Quantower and it'll actually help support the channel as well. But you can sign up for a 7-day free trial that they'll let you check out all the features. I think you could protect this at this point. I'd split these off in case I want to tuck one up underneath it like this. I noticed there's a lot of new subscribers and a lot of likes on the videos. So I really appreciate all the support and encouragement and interest in my trading. There, we're getting to push through that singles area. If we even get close to this first target here, if we get to 20 ticks, that's right there actually. So we'll take one right there. That was 20 ticks on that one. Need to make an adjustment here. Once you break the link in the brackets, you need to manually adjust these so the orders won't disappear. So like, if I close this trade now, I would want to flatten this so it'll get rid of all these extra orders. So we took one there at the 20 ticks. Here at 91. There, we push right through that target. Just thinking about taking another one there. It's 25 ticks on that second one. We got 20 on that first one, 25 on the second one. We got sold one at 91. The other one, we got 92.25 on that. Here. I think we should make some adjustments on these other ones because I definitely want to take one here. If we get to there, that'd be 95.75. And then we'll leave this other one up here at the 800 just to see if we get there. We have the POC right here from yesterday. I think that's 801.50, 801.25. So I'm going to hold that last one, but I definitely want to be out of most of my contracts, by the time we get to this area. Take another one right here at the 40 ticks if we can get there. We're almost there. One more little push. If we get up into this area, I'll definitely move this last stop up to here. I was giving this just a chance to kind of rotate down and then keep moving up. F periods opening in 48 seconds. If we get up into this level, I'll definitely bring that stop up to my 40 ticks. I don't like to give any of that back once I get it. There, we're over the 40 ticks. If this pushes right through here, I'll let it go. If we grind around, I'll take it. There's our 40 ticks. Whoop. Give this a chance to recover here. You can get the stop down in time on that. This is why I was leaving the stop down here, just to give us a chance to rotate in this node, just like it's doing now. I'd be surprised if they didn't make an attempt to at least take out this overnight high, and then, the 800s right here. So I would think they would be shooting for this. So this is the perfect example of why I didn't want to put my stop at the bottom of this node and I left it down here, is so that you could do this rotation like this. If you enjoy these videos, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see future videos of how I trade market profile and volume profile. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. There's our 40 ticks back. I'll take it right there. So I think there's a really good chance we're going to be back up into this level, but it wasn't worth it for me to, risk shooting for that at this point.